The biggest mistake I see people making when they've been told their knee arthritis is to the point where they need a knee replacement is that they think that waiting for surgery and doing nothing is the only option that they have. Now, the reason this is so detrimental is that if you stop engaging in activity and keeping up with your strength, your flexibility, your pain and your weakness will get worse, and then it'll actually make it harder in the long run. So if you've been told that your knee is to the point where you need a knee replacement, here's what you should be doing. You should find strength activities for your legs that you can tolerate, meaning your knee is able to manage them without increasing your pain or increasing stiffness, and then get in a routine that daily exercise helps with pain relief. If you can get those muscles engaging every day, what will happen is that your strength will gradually improve over time. Now, with arthritis in the knee, you have to be gentle with adding exercises. So not every standard exercise that you would get from a trainer at a gym or find online is appropriate. The whole point of strengthening slowly and gently for the knees is to avoid flaring up the knee pain itself by keeping the inflammation down. So if you are waiting for a knee replacement, don't make the mistake of thinking surgery is your next step. Do some strengthening exercises in the meantime. I created a program that helps you to start from the very beginning and prepare you for your knee replacement so you're building the right muscles in the right way and eliminating your knee pain in the process. That way, when you show up for your knee replacement, you are stronger, fitter, and ready to bounce back quicker after your knee replacement. For all the details, just follow the link down below in the description. I look forward to helping you get ready for your knee replacement so that on the other side, your knee pain is a thing of the past.